Hey, it's Chris here. Thanks for joining me on this new build series, this new project, this Porsche 917 from Revell. So, starting off like most builds, the bodywork. I have done a little bit of sanding and stuff prior to this video, a bit of filling. So we've got, if I can pick it up, we had to put this panel in here. I used some dissolved putty. Mr. Hobby dissolved putty in there. Sanded that down with some 120. I'm not used to this filling and sanding malarkey. There was a panel that went in just there, so it's out of focus. There were some big old contact points on the side which I've sanded smooth, tried filling in. And again this side. And then we had like a chin spoiler that come around. You can I don't know if it picks it up or not. You can vaguely see the lines where it kind of like joined onto the body. It comes all the way around. Now the sanding is awful. The shaping is awful because I'm not used to it. I'm used to getting the kit out of the box, giving it an old line sanding, giving it a primer paint colour. That's it. Away we go. I'm not used to this. Adding parts, adding panels, filling it in, filling the holes, filling gaps, sanding it over, filling it again, sanding it over again. I'm not used to all that, so it's something new for me. So yeah, it's a new experience to say the least. But yeah, as it stands, we've just got the body panels ready for some priming. Now, what I'm going to do first, I've actually got some Mr. Surfacer 1500 grey. My pre-mix there. I'm going to give it a good coat of that, and then once that's dried I'm going to go over it with some 800, maybe 1000 grit. Just smooth it out as much as possible, see where it needs any more work, and then go from there really. So yeah, so let's get the airbrush out, let's get set up, and away we go. I will be using, for the bodywork, I will be using the GHAD 68 because that's got the 0.5 needle in it. It's going to stay with the 0.5 needle in it because this is perfect for priming, colour, clear coating, body shells, big areas. So that's what we're going to be using for the body shells and stuff. So yeah, let's get set up and away we go.
you.